Hi guys, today we're going to study quadratic function and its parabola. So, quadratic function is the function, and another name of the function we just will say equation. So, quadratic function, we have most likely three types of the function. So the first form is standard, and two, vertex form, and three, we have factored form. So standard form, it looks like y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and vertex is y equals x minus h all square plus k. Factored, it should be y equals x minus a times x minus b. So in a plane coordinate, guys, the quadratic function graph, the graph of the quadratic function is called parabola. And here goes the origin and y-axis when the parabola looks like this. Okay, so this is parabola. And here goes the vertex. And this is the axis of symmetry. Okay, so the axis of the symmetry is just right in the middle of the whole parabola. So we're going to use the axis of the symmetry to find the vertex. So it's like when there's the vertex, it should be x comma y. Then x is the axis of the symmetry. And if you substitute x for x, then you will get y. So x comma y can be the vertex. So, we can apply that to standard form to applying everything with the axis of symmetry and then get the vertex. Okay, so I'll give you an example. It's like, so in a standard form, we have y equals x squared plus 2x plus 5. And we say a is 1 and b is 2. So number one, we're going to get the axis of symmetry. And then you substitute and then you get the vertex. Okay. So from here, to get the axis of the symmetry is minus b over 2a. That is axis of symmetry. So A was 1 and B was 2. So minus B, which is 2, and 2 times A was 1. So that becomes minus 2 over 2, which is minus 1. So minus 1 here means in a parabola, the axis of the symmetry before vertex, we at least know what x is. So minus 1 is the axis of the symmetry from the parabola of this function x squared plus 2x plus 5. So with minus 1, you're gonna substitute minus 1 for x. Minus 1 for x. Then y is x minus 1 all squared plus 2 times minus 1 plus 5, 1 plus minus 1, which is minus 2 plus 5, 3, 1, so 4. So, we can do in a parabola, minus 1 is axis of the symmetry, 4 is y. So vertex should be negative 1, comma 4. Negative 1 and positive 4. Okay, and now we see at least the vertex is minus 1, comma 4. And if we go learn further, there's x, the coefficient is positive. So the graph should look like this. So opens up upward. We're gonna find it out a little more in a further lesson. So in a standard form, first of all, you get the axis of the symmetry, and then you get the vertex finally. There we go. And what we do, we're going to have a look at the vertex form. So it's very easy because this is a vertex form. And now you know what vertex form look like with the function. So it's very automatically, you can just see the vertex of this function is h, comma k. So easy. So you can relate this standard form and vertex form of the quadratic function and find out the axis of the symmetry and vertex from the standard form of the quadratic function, but easily you can read the vertex in the vertex form of the quadratic function.